day that I'm going for a proper fish. Apparently there's some comp on today, some squid comp. Luke's right there now. Right there. Probably 2 years since the last time me and Luke fished together in this bay. Yeah, I'm excited. It's cold. Luke just went past me. Look like an idiot. The guy was just staring at me like, what the fuck just happened? We're going to target some squid, launch at Queenscliff Pier. Alright, so we just got the Queenscliff boat ramp and it's not too bad. There's oh yeah, there is a bit of boats, but
I don't see, everyone's already fucked off.
Everyone's already on the water.
It's a bit.
Alright, so now we're just gonna unhook everything, ready to get the boat in the water and hopefully get onto a monster. The water's pretty flat today. It's compared to what it's been really windy lately, but it's pretty flat today. So we're going back in this, mate. You would have seen this in my last video of my trip to Cairns.
Oh, what's that? That bring back memories.
Yeah, bad.
Yeah.
So now we're just gonna unhook everything, get everything ready, make sure the buns are in. Where's the bungs, Luke?
I'll be dark because I'm fucking. Know what I'm here, I didn't hear.
Doesn't trust me. Doesn't trust me, yeah?
But like, I don't want to forget something because I'm relying on it.
Yeah, just gotta go a bit more to this side. Yeah, alright, keep going like we just got to the spot and it's pretty rough, pretty swelly. I'm not gonna lie, I feel pretty shit, and I'm not normally one to get seasick. Yeah, I just feel a bit queasy in the stomach. I feel like I'm gonna, you know, throw up. But we're gonna soldier on for about an hour, see how we go. No one else is really getting. We spoke to a few people, so we've been out here for about 5, maybe 10 minutes, and we've decided to pull it because it's just too rough. Like, I'm feeling shit. It's just too choppy. No one's getting in there. Like, look at that. Look at the swells. It's fucked. Yeah. It's just no good. Yeah, feeling like I'm gonna throw my guts up, to be honest. So I said to Luke, let's just pull it and just come back tomorrow.
You alright? Sorry, bro. The way you throw up. Brent's feeling a bit crook and it is shit. It is shit out here, man. What the boat's looking. We're on a squid! Who's on?
Who's on?
You! Oh. You alright?
Oh, I feel shit house, but
40 minutes, bro.
I actually feel better now that I threw up. Just here trying to keep my shit together.
Let's make a move, boy.
Just trying to soldier on.
Soldier on, Brent. Soldier on, brother.
I feel a lot better than I did before. Now that I threw up.
I just threw up everywhere, man.
Got all that shit out of my guts. Could have been the mother. Could have been just me being a pussy. I don't fucking know.
Just looking down, bro.
Yeah, it's just real swelly, real choppy.
Get you a sec. Ooh. Thank you so much. Hey, you put it. That's what it's all about.
Tried to stay out a bit longer. Probably stayed out about 40 minutes. I feel fucked. There's no sugarcoating that. I tried to soldier on. It's probably one of the worst times. I've been seasick twice. Both times with Luke. But we're in Bermagui. And yeah, I was crook as a dog, but this is probably worse. I just can't seem to get a grip. No matter where I look. Oh, I've been throwing my guts up non-stop. We're heading back now. Hopefully once I hit land I feel heaps better. Alright, so we just got back to the boat ramp and I already feel better. As soon as it flattens out, mate, you just feel 10 times better. That was fucking torture out there. It was really hard. I kept trying to get myself better, kept trying to push through, but you just couldn't. Just could not fucking get a grip. Oh, but tomorrow's another day. I'll try again. I might go down to the chemist, just get some seasick tablets just in case, because I don't want to do that again. I want to fish. I love it. I felt bad for Luke because he got on the squid and I'm on the back of the boat trying to find Bert.
Who's Bert?
It wasn't good.
Strong.